Kamiklaya BJP Mahila Morcha Glapalong Yakajing Ki Prusha Alor Gajingja Shat Tombor Jogi Kante da Kinong Ilam Jong Kaseng TMC Kibadan Gajing Day Bat Kisna Riu Boman Hagishnong Sandesh Khali Hawes Bengal Ha Kaba Kiladawa Ban Pahir Shukino Yakamentri Rangba Gajala Kamamata Banerjee Habak daw Bagajingja Ha Sandesh Khali Kum Gajingja Kabaka Dum Halor Kirukam Turekam Kibabu Jingma Bat Nyoben Bat Gajingdon Tilang jong ki pulit bat kirunar ha kaba re kaba penlang kum kawai na kasinya lenti kaba dom ha ka history jong kajala West Bengal bat kari ru kumjo kaseng BJP ha kajala kala dawa ban penstom teng barok ki badang keti ha ka ni kam bomman ban pusuk jer ki ki bobon balang.
We strongly condemn the incident which happened at Sandesh Khali, West Bengal. Where is Sheikh Shah Jamal? Where is he? Why cannot Mamata Banerjee find him? Is he hiding in her bungalow? Why cannot she arrest him? Is she directly supporting him and his group? Where is the billions? We want him to be arrested.